Hello guys, how are you doing? It's been a while that we've been here and trading has been good, but not for the dollar. The dollar has this year has been sideways, right? And that's what I just want to pop in to show you. For those that might be complaining that they haven't had much opportunities in the market, this is what I want to just address so that you know that it's not you, it's the market conditions. It's not all the time that the market will be favorable with respect to trending. So do not beat yourself up, do not lose confidence, but know that there is a time the market will trend and there's a time that the market will range. For this year, for the entire year that is, you can see from 2023 here, the market has been moving sideways. And this is what I want to explain to you. We had a little breakout to the downside over here. But from this breakout, it rushed back in. And of course, you can see this is the major wave that we've been working with. This was a wave down, and then it said to move sideways inside, right? So now it's heading back to the top of this highs over here that we can easily call resistance around this area. Who knows? It might as well drop or it might breach and then maybe push higher. But overall, it has been sideways. We had a fake out here. We might as well have another fake out here, or it might just be inside. Only time will tell. We have approximately 3 months. We have approximately October, November, and December to the end of this year. Let's see how things go. Later today on the calendar, right? On the first factory calendar, we have the popular FOMC coming out by 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. And this is UK time. So we have the FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee. And of course, this is going to be explosive. So if you're in the market from a lower time frame perspective, make sure you protect your account accordingly as the volatility is bound to be high. That could easily cause slippage, that could cause spread increment, that could cause whipsaws, and a few other things. So always ensure that you check the calendar before placing trades. It's always good for you to follow the trend. And if you're going to go against the trend, just make sure you have your stops in place. And of course, you have your risk management well calculated and your trade management is also on point. This is just a quick one, just to throw some light on what has been happening to the USD this year. And of course, it's good to start planning for next year because trust me, I very much doubt that throughout next year that the USD index, the DXY, is going to range throughout. No, we probably would have a nice trending market to the downside as a continuation of what I showed you earlier, or we might have it change its direction entirely and then push higher. A lot of things also has to do with the fundamentals, has to do with the war in Ukraine, has to do with the dealings with BRICS. We've been hearing about the BRICS a lot, has to do with inflation and a whole lot of other things. Next year should be interesting as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And of course, I will throw in some lights, throw in some explanations here and there to help you out. Thank you guys. Do enjoy the rest of the day and catch you at another time. Cheers.